Welcome to our school. My name is Jo Savage and I have the privilege of being the head teacher at Clockhouse. We hope this short video provides you with a flavour of what we're all about. We are not just a school, we are a home. We lay the foundations for each individual's future and for dreams to be fulfilled, whatever they may be. No two bricks are the same, but are accepted for their uniqueness and are placed in their own special way to meet their needs. The cement bonds us together as a family to keep us strong, stable and safe. We are all safe and happy under one roof. We are protected from the elements and prepared to weather every storm. The key to success unlocks the door of future achievements unseen before. The windows show us the reflection of our future selves as ready, respectful and responsible adults. Collaboratively together, our home is decorated with challenge and the rooms are furnished with fun. All around, a variety of trees grow naturally. From the seed of success, with nurture and care, anything is possible. So we are not just a school. We are a home that provides a champion for all, as well as timeless experiences and skills for a brighter future. And that is why we are called Clockhouse. Ring the bell, we're always here.
Clockhouse is exceptional because they provide a family and a home for every student.
At Clockhouse, we're proud of celebrating people's achievements.
We are exceptionally proud of our children and our school. We were absolutely delighted to have our fabulous school recognised when Ofsted came to visit us. They agreed that Clockhouse does offer an outstanding education for our children. This external validation is obviously wonderful, but our drive has always been, and will continue to be, to provide our children with the best possible educational experience whilst they are with us. This is so important as we are always looking for innovative ways to improve our school for the good of the children and staff, in fact, our whole community. At Clockhouse, our values of nurture, respect, learning, community, excellence and excitement are very important to us. This, along with our curriculum drivers of challenge, cultural capital, aspiration, creativity, well-being and global citizenship, drive all that we do. We aim to ensure our children enjoy every part of their school day, whether that be coming into breakfast each morning, making their learning memorable or making playtime and lunchtime exciting and happy. We work hard to enrich their learning experience through exciting trips out or inspirational visitors coming to visit us. Our children are wonderful Clockhouse citizens who work and play so hard each day. We endeavour to teach our children to always be the best that they can be, even when no one is watching them, and are so proud of the Clockhouse moral compass they develop whilst they're with us. Ultimately, we want our children to be happy, well-rounded citizens who at each stage are ready for the next part of their learning journey, whatever that may be. Our school, a family and a home for everyone.